In this life, every chance is worth the take. But don't back down, but give it all that you can make. Strive for results, no matter good or bad. They're the proof of the hustle you've had. I try every single time. Careless of failure, I climb. 'Cause failure's just a step, not the end. I'll keep on trying every bend. Try today, then again come what may. And if it's not enough, try another day. One day, you'll hit it just right. Keep the faith, keep your goal in sight. Morning's light, afternoon's height, evening's call, try with all your might. One of these times, you'll stand tall, and you'll find you've conquered it all. We shed tears when we stumble and fall, but we rise up, ready to answer the call. Dreaming of a future so bright, seeing ourselves in the victory's light. Life's a maze, twists and turns we face, but we keep moving at our own pace. Through the highs and lows, we find our way, each step closer to the light of day. I try every single time. Fearless of failure, I climb. Failure's just a step, not the end. I'll keep on trying every day. Doubts may creep in, shadows cast, but I won't surrender, won't be surpassed. With resilience as my armor, I stand tall, ready to conquer, ready to give my all. Morning's light, afternoon's height, evening's call, try with all your might. One of these times, you'll stand tall, and you'll find you've conquered it all. Dreams feel the fire, passionate nights, we chase the stars through endless nights. In the rhythm of hope, we dance, believing that victory's our chance. Hold on tight, don't